Hey, what's going on? This is Silver Barter. I wanted to make a video today because today is a very uh, special day, I guess, in the silver world because it actually dropped below $20 an ounce. It's around 19.8, whatever, but it's underneath $20 right now. I want to tell you guys what I've been doing lately. When the price of silver got up to about $35 or so, the last time I kind of sold quite a bit of my share, but I've always kept physical silver around, and I mean even when it's gone up, through 35 or whatever, and then dropped back down, I've never touched my physical silver because I've always kept my physical silver for the longer term. I like silver. I like physical silver, so I'm going to keep physical silver. Um, and but I do have with the Silver Saver account, I accumulate $50 a month, and but a lot of my share that I built up at 35 an ounce, I sold quite a bit of that share. But not only that, but what I wanted to also say, because you watch the major media, about the stock market. They're trying to pump it up. You got the Fed, speaking Bernanke, and whenever that comes up, it's all, they just. I think it's funny that they really strive to make sell-offs like when it drops 1.5% or something. They're talking about, oh, this is a major sell-off. Folks, we haven't seen the major sell-off like we're gonna eventually see. I really believe that from the time after that the last crash, if you got into stock market around that time and you've made some gains since then, that these are some very big highs right now. And not only that, but after all this stimulus, it's been pumped up, and it's really not at all correlating with what's really going on in the economic worldwide. It's not just the U.S., but all over. If it was really correlating together, stock market and growth would be going up at the same rate at silver would be going up too, because of the demand. Electronics, things are used, silver is used in electronics. So if there was a high demand in the stock market and companies were really doing good and really doing real growth, you would see silver prices going up also. But it's not like that. It's totally different. But if you were like me, I got in the stock market after the last crash. I've made some gains on that. I've already sold all of my stocks, and right now I'm keeping it in cash. And I've also recently sold my silver and some of the cash or the Silver Saver silver that I've got, not my physical silver. And I've every once in a while I'll go to the local store, see if they got any like the pawn shops, the silver or the gold shops, and I usually grab a little bit of physical silver when I have a chance, and because I like physical silver, I want to keep that. But as far as not really the paper silver, but I call Silver Savers like a physical paper investment, if you ask me. So if you haven't looked at it, go to my Twitter account, take a look. I've got it in the profile link to my Silver Saver account. It's a referral account. Check it out, and it's worked out for me really well. Right now, what I was wanting to say is about the below $20 an ounce silver right now. This is a good time. I haven't bought back in yet because I'm not really sure. I don't really know when the bottom is going to be, because it could get down to 15. It's just you got to see where everything's kind of going. I mean, with the stock market and the economy not really doing good, when I feel that things are turning around, there's policies out of Washington D.C. that's really looking good for companies to really grow and jobs start. That's when That's when I know that silver is gonna jump back. Not just the silver uh, coin buying and investing, but I want to see that demand for silver, and when I see that demand for silver, uh, and jobs start growing, and the economies around the world start growing, and things really get back to closer to a free market capitalism system instead of this big government, you know, buddy. It's that doesn't work. You just have more government, too much government. It's just people, start relying on the government too much. But when I see that growth, that real growth, that's when I'm going to jump into silver again. And like I said, I keep my physical silver, but I'm talking about my my silver saver account, the one that I invest the silver in. So right now I've got cash. I'm holding on to it. Got out of the stock market already because it's at record highs, and I'm gonna wait till the next correction, the next crash probably, before I get back into stocks. But my next move is definitely silver, and right now I'm holding off to find that ultimate bottom. And when I feel that there is growth in the economy, and I feel the growth inside, that's when I'm gonna buy, um, make a large investment in my silver. Anyways, hope you can use this advice, and maybe it'll help you out. Thank you. Read more of my tweets at Silver Barter on Twitter.